Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Priscilla if you've never been here. In this video, I will be doing a tutorial on how I get beachy waves. So let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is obviously take down my hair. Normally I would probably part my hair into the typical way I would do is just do the bottom here first, but since it's beachy waves, I don't really need it to be super uniform or perfect. So I'm just going to start by sectioning off the very first part of my hair because I'm going to do this last. So the next thing, I'm just going to grab diagonal back pieces. I'd say this is about a 1 3/4 barrel. I'm not exactly sure. You can use any size you want depending on the look that you want. If you do have shorter hair than me, you'll definitely want to use a smaller iron. This is on and I'm touching it, just because it'll give you more of a wavy look. So like I said, I'm just grabbing this first section, and until you hit your behind your ear, you want to curl away from your face. So I just grab that and hold it there until I feel it getting hot. And then I'm going to actually go under, take it out, and go under, and just kind of slide through the end, because you don't want the end super curly since it is. You do want like those beachy waves. So after I'm done with that side, I'm going back to this side, and I am first sectioning off the very front like I did with the other one. And you can kind of gauge it, like you can decide what you want to really be like the main focus piece. So this here is what I'm using. Burned myself. Okay, so now that we're done with the rest of our hair, we are going to go back to the front pieces, comb it out with our fingers, and just like this. So I keep the iron on rather than turn it for the first or for the two front pieces. So after that, you are going to spray it, and I am using the Redken brews, which is actually for men. Stole my boyfriend's hairspray, but I bought it for him, so it's okay. So then you just lightly spray it up. Oh, this smells like a man. So just a little, just to kind of give it some texture, and I will just kind of pump it up by doing this. And that is my beachy wave tutorial. I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe if you did like this video so you can see future videos, and I will see you guys next time.